Look at this desktop. Clean lines, smooth animations, modern glass effects, and a level of a polish that finally makes Linux feel contemporary. This is Cosmic Desktop Environment, the brand new desktop built from scratch by System 76, the company behind Pop OS. In this video, we're going to cover the full review, its development journey so far, how it became one of the best looking Linux desktops, why so many people are switching to it, and what the future holds. Cosmic is not a modified GNOME and it's not based on KDE. System 76 started with a heavily customized GNOME in earlier versions of Pop OS, but they kept hitting limits with extensions and upstream design decisions. In 2021, they decided to do something radical, build an entirely new desktop environment in the Rust programming language using the ICE toolkit. The result is a pure Wayland compositor designed to be modular, fast, and fully under their control. The name stands for Component-Oriented System for Integrated Modular Computing, reflecting the idea that the desktop is made of replaceable, well-defined pieces rather than a monolithic system. Development took years of quiet work. The first public alpha, branded Epoch, arrived in August 2024. A series of alphas followed through 2025, gradually adding settings pages, networking, Bluetooth, accessibility features, a media player, and better workspace management. The first beta landed in September 2025, and on the 11th of December 2025, Cosmic Epoch 1 shipped as the default desktop in Pop OS 24.04 LTS. Since that stable release, the pace has been remarkable. In the first 7 months, the project saw thousands of merged pull requests, regular point releases up to 1.4.0, and adoption across Fedora, Arch, Alpine, NixOS, OpenSUSE, CachyOS, and more. What makes Cosmic stand out visually is its modern cohesive design language. You get clean panels and docks that can be placed almost anywhere, rounded corners and window shadows that apply to all windows, and the new frosted glass effect introduced in version 1.3. That glass effect is fully adjustable for thickness and opacity on panels, menus, applets, and windows, giving the desktop a layered premium look that many people compare favorably to recent macOS designs while remaining distinctly Linux. Combined with smooth animations and thoughtful default wallpapers, Cosmic simply looks more current than most traditional Linux desktops. Beyond looks, the practical features are what convert users. Cosmic includes automatic tiling built into the compositor itself. You can switch between floating and tiling modes with a single click, and each monitor can have its own independent workspaces. The launcher is fast and powerful. Panels and docks are deeply configurable without extensions, and settings for colors, highlights, transparency, and layout are all available in a clean interface. Because it is written in Rust and is pure Wayland, it feels snappy even on older hardware and often uses less than a gigabyte of RAM at idle. People are switching for several clear reasons. First, they no longer have to fight GNOME's opinionated design or rely on fragile extensions. Second, Cosmic delivers real productivity features such as proper multi-monitor workspace handling that other major desktops still struggle with. Third, the technology stack feels future-proof. And fourth, System 76 is actually shipping improvements at rapid pace instead of debating them for years. The desktop is still young, so some polish and edge case stability remain works in progress, but the trajectory is hard to ignore. Looking ahead, System 76 organizes development into epochs of roughly 6 to 8 months while continuing to push smaller updates continuously. Planned work includes a Vulkan renderer for better HDR and nightlight support, smoother desktop and workspace animations, session restore, improved gaming experience, further performance gains, and eventually stronger theming and extension support. The longer-term vision is for Cosmic to become a modular foundation that other distributions and even hardware vendors can build upon, not just another pretty shell. Cosmic Desktop is one of the most exciting developments in the Linux desktop space in years. It took courage and years of effort for System 76 to start from zero. But the result is a fast, flexible, and genuinely attractive environment that already feels like a serious alternative to the established giants. If you haven't tried it yet, install it on Pop OS or pick up the packages on another distribution and live with it for a week. You may find you don't want to go back.